What's going on, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Austin. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove video and picture background with just one click using these simple techniques. If today is the first time coming across my channel and my videos, please subscribe and click on that notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified each time we upload new videos, because we are starting now.
Guys, I'm in Berlin and I have to go to Dubai, but after Dubai I have to go to France and London. So let's go!
And I think I have to listen because
Whoa! I'm in Dubai! This is okay, I need to take a picture.
and it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart.
Okay,
Doesn't matter how far.
let's shake again. France. So let's go.
Me this time, baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go.
Whoa, we're in France. Whoa, look at that tower. I wish I could draw it, but I saw it in TV. Guys, I'm here now. Isn't it beautiful? Next time I will draw this for you guys. Guys, my next location is London. Let's go. Guess what? Guys, I'm in London. Wait, look at that bridge. Cool.
And it feels so bright, it's like Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day, my beginning.
So guys, this is how chroma key from KinemasterTutorial looks like, and this is what I've been using to remove my video and picture background since I've been using KinemasterTutorial, and it's been so useful. So you can start using it after watching this video. And I've also been using green cloth as my green screen and 2 light, camcorder or a smartphone.
There is so much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you.
So you want to open your KinemasterTutorial and use the plus in the big round circle. Choose the 16:9 aspect ratio for your new project. So once you want to click on your media to go into your browser and select a background, always use a plain color whenever I want to change any video or picture background before I can use a picture for the background, which is the picture that I really want. So you want to drag this plain color to the right side of your screen just to get your video length. Okay, so once you drag it, you want to go into your layer, a picture or video to change your background. Okay, so now this is the video that I want to use, and I want to change the background of this video. This is the video that I shoot in my house using this green cloth that I told you before, with 2 green screen lights. I have 1 light on the right and 1 light on the left. So I just make sure that I cut out and crop the all the background out, leaving only the green, because this green is what I'm going to use as my green screen. So I'm just going to enable the chroma key and then set this number to make sure I get what I want. Okay, so once I set it, I will zoom it out to see if I have some other places where I still have my green color. So I just reset using this key to make sure to see where it's gonna fit. So if that doesn't work, I will still go and reset the number to increase the upper one and reduce the lower one. So Now you can see the result has come to this level. It's better now. So now just resume it in and see how the video looks like after removing this background. Okay, so now see how it looks like. The green in between the legs has gone. That result was because the light was not able to make the green between the legs look brighter. That is why you have that there. So but when you have enough light during your project, the removing your background will be very easy. Now you can see I have removed the red and I've changed it to the picture I want, that my daughter was in Berlin. Now this is how it looks like. So you can just go ahead and keep changing the kind of picture that you want. You can also as well, once you have a background change, it is easier for you to duplicate the picture or the video to become 2 or 3 or 4, depends on the layer that your chroma key is accepting the project. So now you can see that I have duplicate. I can also rotate the mirror, which is making her facing the same direction or opposite direction. So because I have removed the background. So if you don't remove your background, you can be finding it so difficult, like making it to clone the picture or the video or the person in the picture or in the video. You'll be finding it so difficult. But because we've changed the background, it is just plain, so we can clone as many people as we want from the video. Okay guys, so this is how it is. If there's something else you don't understand, just leave it in the comment section below and ask me a question. I can also reply you or make a video concerning what you've dropped under the comment section below. If you find this video helpful, please video a big like. If I get up to 100 likes from this video, that means it is encouraging, it was helpful, so I can make a similar video for you guys. Okay guys, so just keep editing your videos, changing your video and picture backgrounds using this chroma key with your green cloth. You can also use other colors, it doesn't matter, but I find the green one very easy. Okay guys, so this is it. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below, and that's it. Share this video with your friends that has been trying to change the background of their videos and their pictures, so that they can also know how to change theirs. Don't keep it with yourself. Share the video, share it to your social media platform, on Facebook, on WhatsApp. Tell the people. You'll find how they can change their video and picture backgrounds. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in our next video. Bye.
You're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song. You know my heart, 'cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains, I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen. it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so right, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love